Welcome back, everybody, and today we are going to go over the Harbor Freight free gifts weekend that's going on from May 8th through the 10th. First, we got a coupon for the non-ITC members. We got a free gift with any purchase of $34.99 or higher. Then, of course, the ITC gets a free gift with any purchase. That's why I always tell you guys it pays to be an ITC member. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over these three items, and then I'm going to show you the cheapest way to get it if you're an ITC member. So the first thing we're going to look at here is going to be the Franklin 72-inch by 80-inch moving blanket. That is $8.99, which is a great deal on that. So let's scroll down to specifications just so you guys know everything about this. So you got the SKU number being 58324, and then of course the brand is Franklin, 80 inch in length, width is 72. Thickness is 0.076 inches. Coverage area is 40 square feet. It's made of polyester, and the product weight is 4.87. Let's move on to the next one. Now, the next thing we're going to take a look at here is going to be the Bunker Hill Security 30 caliber ammo box. Normally $5.99, so you're getting that for free. That is another good deal. Go down to specifications on this one for you guys, just to check it out. On this one, we have got the SKU numbers. There's a couple of different ones they have there. And then I can never say this is like polypropylene, I think is how you pronounce it. I'm always bad with that, but the product length is 11.6 inches. Then the product width is 5.1 inches. And then it says 6 to 8 boxes of standard ammo. Here's a hint: if you put your ammo, take it out of the boxes, put it in baggies, you can put more in it. And then the height on the inside is going to be 6 inches. Inside width is going to be 4.25 inches. Product height is 7.1 inches, 0.1 inches, sorry. The product weight is going to be 1 pound, and then the total length inside is going to be 9.5 inches. Let's check out the last thing. Alright, we saved the best to last here. It's always great when Icon has something for free. What we got here is the Icon Professional Socket Set Adapter Set 4-piece, $16.99. I'm pretty sure this is what everybody is going to go for. Now, I will probably go to try to get it too, so I don't blame you. Anytime I can get something Icon for free, I'm all over that. So let's take a look at the specifications on this one for you guys. SKU number is 57324 on that one. Of course, it's Icon. The model number is A123US-4. It's made of chrome moly steel. The coating is chrome, and the drive sizes, you got 1/4, 3/8, and half. The finish is polish. You get 4 of them. And then it's 1/4 by 3/8, 3/8 by half, 3/8 by 1/4, and half by 3/8 inch. Such a great deal on these. I love it when they give away free Icon stuff. So now if you're ITC, I'm going to show you some of the cheapest ways to get it. Now if you're ITC, one of the cheapest ways to get this is get the 7-inch carpenter's pencil for 79 cents. This is the great thing about ITC, getting it with anything. You can pick stuff up dirt cheap. Let me show you the next thing. Now the next cheapest thing to pick up here, these are usually up by the register. You can get the Color Snap Blade utility knife. Once again at 79 cents. I know people probably get wore out with these and the pencils, but if you're new to this, get a pencil one time, get the razor the next, and then you can sharpen the pencil with the razor. So there you go. Let's go ahead and check something else out. Now another one a lot of people like going with is the Pittsburgh Mini Pick and Hook Set for $1.99. A lot of people love these, and they do got a lifetime warranty on it. So it's something else that's pretty cheap for you to snag up to get your stuff for free. Now, let's go into one of the sales and see what we can find in there. And the next best place to check is, of course, the dollar days that are going on during the sale. You can get these multi-purpose scissors for $1, some electrical tape for $1, a scraper for $1. You can get this pickup and reach tool for $2. Let's see what else we got here. We've got the Hardy gloves. We got a funnel. And you got this PTO lock pin, all for $2. Then you got an air chuck for $3. We got some more stuff here for $3. The magnetic nut set. You got the center punch. I mean, you guys can keep going and looking. If you want to look at good cheap stuff here through the dollar days, you can use all of this and pick up your free tool. And that is a great deal on that. So there you go. There's a look at what the free gifts are going on for this free gift weekend, and also some ways to get it for dirt cheap if you are a Inside Track Club member. I'm sure there's some cheaper stuff that I might have missed. Leave a comment down below if there's something that you like picking up that's dirt cheap that I didn't mention in this and help everybody out. So as always, don't forget to check my link tree out down below. Down there I got affiliate accounts that do help out the channel. Some got discount codes to save you guys money. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Leave a comment down below. We are One Nation Under God, and I'll see you all on the next one.